Hi, welcome to the Wink Anti-Tip webpage. The only anti-tip over system that is truly a safety system and not a warning device. Unlike warning devices with dash monitoring screens, fancy graphics, and flashing lights that do nothing more than alert the operator to stop, the operator still needs to react quickly to these warnings. The reaction time is 2 to 3 seconds later and is often too late to prevent the accident. By taking control away from the operator, the system automatically monitors the angles and weight shifts, controlling when it's safe to start the dumping process, or by automatically lowering the body during the dumping process to prevent a tip over. The system has a warning light located on the front of the body that tells the operator when it is safe to start the unloading process. If the light is on, it's not safe to start, and the system will not allow you to raise the body until you move enough for the light to go off. After it is safe to raise the body, the system will take over, and there is no need for the operator to watch the warning light. The sensor is always monitoring the angles and the weight shifts. The system stands ready to react in the second necessary to prevent a tip over, by automatically lowering the body down to a safe angle. If it leans enough to reach the preset tolerances for any reason, flat tire, soft ground, load sticks, freezes, loaded heavy to one side, or material piled up in the bin, this safety system will react automatically to prevent the tip over. Just like ABS brakes, seat belts, traction control systems, the Wink Anti-Tip Over system automatically takes control by eliminating the guess and assumption about whether it's safe or not. By taking the control away from the operator, we remove the delay times, therefore preventing accidents. It really doesn't matter how much training you do. We humans get distracted, tired, assuming everything is fine, cab controls, electric tarps, and when it comes time to react, we simply cannot react fast enough, nor are we as accurate in our assumptions. So protect your people, equipment, and customers, and let's do a test today. Thanks.